Hey, hello. I'm Shirley, and thank you for watching this tutorial. This tutorial is for installing the Koshain eVersion Bible on the Pocket Sword app. I will show you one step at a time until the installation is complete. But before we go there, let's do a shout out to Daguma Lucios and his team, the FSMBibles.org, for job well done and the perseverance in pressing through until the project is at least completed. Therefore, we want to give you our kulo na malalap for all the work done. Having said this, let me show you how to install the eVersion. Okie dokie. Hello. Now we will install the Android version for the Koshayan Bible. So as you can see, I will go ahead and turn on the phone. We will go and look for the Bible that we need to look for is A and D Bible. So we'll go ahead and click that, and let's go ahead and install and Bible. And it's installing. As it's installing, we'll wait. So let's go ahead and open it. Open it. And download a Bible from internet. So we'll go ahead and click yes. Okay. Under downloads, we're waiting for this. So let's look under Bible. Let's go under K. Bear with me. There's a lot to go through here, so we'll do our best. We're at H, I, J, K, H. We're at I, K, 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 A. And by the way, this is my first time installing this, so I hope. Oh, there it is. I found it. Koshayan. So we'll go ahead and select that, and go ahead and select that, and click OK. So while we're waiting, it's going. And then we'll go ahead and click OK for that. And there is the Koshayan Bible. So let's see, KOL, we'll go click John. This is beautiful. These are all the books and the chapters. So Proverbs, let's go back to Proverbs. Let's go to Genesis 1:1. Kimotawek, Kikate Lord Akashawa Felo. Now let's go to Matthew 1. Meto Saptasis. Let's see. Meto Saptasi. Meto Saptasi. Fos. Si paingitakin fudin sa ulat siya kalpangan. I'm sorry. Yes. So there is. That's it. So I just showed you how to install Koshayan Koshayan Bible version. On the Bible app is called A and D Bible, and you look for that in the Play Store. So thank you for watching, and may you be blessed using this Bible app. Thank you.